like with the Kyrios, I'm going to transform the Arios in two separate parts, then put them together. Alright, and with my instruction manual handy, and you see, well, that's not cool. I don't think that's supposed to do that. Incline the head like that, then bring this all the way here. As you see, this is going to be the front part of the Wave Rider. Then the shoulders gonna go up like that, and these gonna go up like this. I'm just trying to make sure I don't break this thing. The manual says that these V-fins have to be on, they have to be lower than, there you go, than the shoulder armor, so that these two parts can connect. There is a tab up here, just connect them. And that was the sound of a V-fin. So here we have the front part, the Arios. The arms go down like this, down and in, but let me see. I was trying to remove the hands so that they don't get in the way, but the whole thing came off. So down and in like that. Alright, that's the upper torso. Let me transform the lower torso. Alright, so this part goes up like that, and these little tabs that I thought where the beam sabers went, they actually plug into the upper torso. They plug into here. You see here in the shoulders, that's where these plug in. So you take the legs, look at this. Take the legs and turn them like that. Tail binder comes out. Now you transform the legs in action similar to the Kyrios. I guess these come up like that. The toes come down, and this comes down like that. There you go. Yeah. And these wings come up and down. There you go. Up and down. So that's the back part. Let me see. Yeah, that's about it. That's the back part of the Kyrios Wave Rider mode. So let's connect the torso, the lower torso and the upper torso. There we go. Connected. Then connect these tabs up here. And let me see. Sorry guys. Connect these tabs up here, and there we go. You have tight Arios in Wave Rider mode. It's way longer than the Arios. But it's still cool. Like I said about the Arios, I like orange Gundams because they're unique. There are not a lot of orange Gundams out there. Alright, so you also have this piece, which according to the instruction manual goes here like this. It's like a belt. Then you plug it into the action base and voila. It's a shame. Well, there's still time for it. But I wish that we could get more 001-100 kits. A GN Archer to go with the Arios would be nice. And I'd like to see a GNX3 in 1/100 scale, where Mr. Bushido's ahead, you know. Awesomeness. But I doubt we'll see it. The way things are going, I think the kits that we'll be seeing next from 00 will probably be from the movie. Alright, that's my review of the Arios Gundam. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps. Bye.